Informational 2, Out of Machine Experiences. How I made loops that escape from the cassette shell. Here's a few previous experiments with this technique, and an excerpt of the loop we'll make today. Okay, first let's choose some source material. I'm using a locked loop from side D of Stefan Goldman's album The Grand Hemiola. And I'm going to add some more texture using this mixer. As you can see, we need an opening in the cassette shell. I tried to cut this one neatly and it snapped. I've had luck making tidier cuts with a Dremel type tool, but this would just be for aesthetics as this cracked shell works perfectly. So now I'm recording plenty of audio for my loop, and once I'm happy with an amount, I'm going to listen back at half speed, also known as the best speed, and then rewind back to a start point I'm happy with. Pull out your tape loop's desired start point and cut. I'm using a scalpel, but anything sharp will work. Personally, I take a fast and loose approach, making a rough cut and experimenting with whatever comes out. I find this the most fun. You can, of course, be as neat as your patience allows. Okay, let's line this tape up on the block and start splicing. First, lining up the start point. After pulling out as much tape as you dare, line up the end point on the splicing block. Cut neatly, remove any excess, and tape. I'm using cassette-specific splicing tape. I have had success just using electrical tape in the past. We just need to find something to loop around and experiment with that loop's tension. Here I've used a glass terrarium, but all sorts of things will work. For best practice, clean the surface the tape will run on with isopropyl. Now play the loop, and if it struggles, move your object of choice around slightly to adjust the tape loop's tension. If you're still watching, thank you for making it this far. And if you do have a go at the method, I'd love to hear how you find it.